to put through timesheets and also for learning modules, and mainly those two. I think user friendliness is really good, and to be able to put in information, and then the learning systems are very easy to navigate. Potentially, maybe with like the performance management and being able to add additional notes, etc. And then also being able to like edit within that those particular notes would make it easier. Yeah. I think the learning modules definitely it makes it easy, and to be able to put those particular modules in for use across the organization is really great. Previous organizations, probably ADP I've used in the past, and that's it. I would say that, again, a lot more user friendly and definitely more recognizable now. I think overall it's just made it easier in terms of processing, especially with having a large group or a large department and managing. So it just makes it easier in terms of processing for the department. A nine. Because I find it pretty easy to use and it's not complicated. And I've found that other members of the department find it easy as well. I think previously when I used ADP, it was as a frontline worker, so I didn't really have as intricate as understanding of different things. But I think just being able to use Paycom, I could definitely see a difference between the two products. But I would say I didn't have as much of an in-depth understanding in terms of ADP back during the time that I was using it. Well, I think the biggest thing is being able to go from paper to automation always makes it easier. And so I found that it's a lot less cumbersome to be able to have it automated. And again, it's a user friendly system. I haven't used it as of yet. I think that it does deliver the value, definitely. Yes. I'm not as familiar with the promises, but I think it lives up to what we need for within our department, definitely. From what I remember, yes. Sure. So, with it being a nonprofit, we use systems to be able to input our consumer database. So, keeping up with the database from that end of it. But that's one of our main saw here in terms of for the employees.